Yo guys, welcome back to episode 15 of the Funding Challenge. It is currently Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. It is 1 a.m. I didn't make a video yesterday because I had just realized my uni semester had started and had started like a week before, and I was like, oh shit. So I was just trying to like catch up on work from the week before. I was getting all that sorted and organized. So last night I took trades, but I just didn't really have time to make a video and edit because I was trying to get uni stuff done, and I got everything done at like 4 a.m. So I wanted to make a video, but then I was also like, I don't want to mess up my sleep schedule because if I'm about to record, talk, edit, render, upload, wait for all that, like I'm gonna be up till like 6. So I'm just gonna film Monday and Tuesday's trades in today's video, and I will explain to you what happened. So we are on a 4 trade losing streak. So yesterday I took 2 trades, and today I took 2 trades, and all trades lost. So my personal thoughts, it's not great. I may have made a mistake with 1 or 2 trades, but as we know, my win rate is about 40 to 50%, 45 around there. So losing 4 trades in a row is very normal, and then winning 3-4 trades in a row is also normal. As you know, last week we had a pretty good win streak, and this week we've just lost 4 trades in a row. So I'm not really phased. I've followed my plan. There's changes I want to make to my plan, so I take less trades, but I take more higher probability trades because I was backtesting recently my strategy, and for some reason I was backtesting February of 2024, and I could not like do well. Like it was just unprofitable. Well, it wasn't unprofitable. Like I made 5% in the month, but then like sometimes it just like wasn't great. Like I would just make 5% and then lose it, and make 5%, and I'm like, why can't I backtest this month like consistently? Why am I like, I don't want to be so up and down like volatile like that. So I changed something slightly. So instead, so you guys know my strategy, I wait for one high time frame range, and then I wait for my mid time frame structure. But what I did while I was backtesting February was I waited for 2 high time frame ranges, so a 4-hour range or a daily range, and then a 1-hour range within that, and then I use my 5 and 15-minute mid time frame structure with my 1-minute entry confirmation. And after like 8 or 9 trades in the first week of February, I had like a 75% win rate. So that's really good. I'm gonna go back and study those trades and collect data on them a bit more and try to figure out exactly what I did with those higher time frames. That's pretty much what I did, but I want to go a bit more in depth into it. And so yeah, that's basically what I'm working on right now to increase my win rate. Because right now this strategy is profitable, but I'm not like, for my trading style, I want a more objective view of my higher time frame bias rather than subjective, because SMC market structure, especially on the high time frame, is very subjective for a lot of people. And when I'm looking at my bias for the day, I want there to be a just objective, okay, we're going up for the day, we're going down for the day. And I know that SMC traders are able to do this with a high win rate. So I think if I focus more on a higher time frame and just add an extra higher time frame confluence, then I'll be just taking less trades. So I'm not changing my strategy and taking a different kind of setup. All I'm doing is adding an extra level of bias so that I take less trades, and the trades I do take are high probability. So with that being said, let's move into this week's trades. So we'll start off on the 4-hour. So mostly my bias for this week was long, because we have a 4-hour change in character up, strong displacement. So I'm thinking we're going to take out this daily week high, because we reacted off this level and created a 4-hour change in character upwards. So I'm bullish on the high time frame. And then 1 hour, we have 1 hour change in character, 1 hour breaker structure, 1 hour breaker structure. And then here we have a 1 hour fake breaker structure setup. So price came in, tapped in. We had a nice reaction of this breaker block with an FVG overlap within our 4 hour range, and using this 1 hour change character as inducement. And then we'll go down to our mid time frames. And we have a 5-minute change of character right here. Strong bullish displacement. And then from then on, I'm waiting for price to retrace within this 5-minute range. I marked out this area because it was a 15-minute FVG. And I'm waiting for a 5-minute type 1 or type 2 as a confirmation. So we come in here. We have a 5-minute type 2 right here. Well, actually, we had a 5-minute type 2 here, yeah. This is from where I took the trade. This was another one here, but this is the one I took. So we had a sweep candle that swept the previous candle, and one candle after it, and then another candle after it that displaced and engulfed above it. So that's my type 2, and my type 1 is if the first candle displaces above it. So what that looks like on the 1 minute is pretty much just a 1 minute change of character right here. Sweep and then breaker structure. So all the 5-minute type 1 and type 2 is a 1 minute shift. And I used to just trade off 1 minute shifts, but I wanted to view the 1 minute shift from a slightly higher time frame so I could have extra validation of a good shift, because a lot of times I was taking shifts that weren't the best, that didn't have really strong displacement. So waiting for a 5-minute type 1 or type 2 helps me more objectively see whether it's a good shift or not. So as you can see, this trade pretty much just went up for a bit and then went down and took me out. And then my bias switched to short because we had a 1 hour change of character here and we failed to take out the high, and we had a strong 5-minute shift down. So I'm like, okay, we're gonna go down for a bit. We had a 5-minute change of character shift down, 1 minute shift down, 5-minute type 1. And then, yeah, we got pretty unlucky here. We got swept right before price went down. It didn't go all the way down, but we would have at least gotten taken out at break even. But yeah, this trade is just a bit unlucky, this one. The process was good. And yeah, I took 2 losses that night, so I stopped trading. That's my rules, 2 losses, but 2 trades per day. And then we come into today where we realign with our 4 hour change of character. So we are in a 4 hour change of character bullish range. So expecting price to react off a level within this area and then take out the high because the change of character is bullish. And then in today's New York session, or a bit before London, we had a strong breaker structure up. So our 1 hour realigned to bullish, and then my bias became bullish. So I'm thinking we're in a 1 hour bullish range. We had a small 1 hour change of character here, 1 hour breaker structure here, massive displacement, and then we're also in our 4 hour range. So I go down to the 5-minute. We had a nice 5-minute type 2 here, and because price wasn't in the best area to form like clear 5-minute structure, I decided to wait for a 5-minute type plus another 5-minute type with a valid shift. So it would be like a 1 minute change of character plus breaker structure. So we plus breaker structure. So we got that after sweeping a level right here, and I entered and it went straight down. And then we came into the very extreme order block of the 1 hour, and we had a nice shift up plus breaker structure. Well, it was a breaker structure during our trade, but we had a nice shift up here. And yeah, it pretty much came back down and took me out again. So I don't think, well, okay, I know I haven't done anything inherently wrong here. This is just very normal with a 45% win rate, so I'm not worried. But what I want to do is increase my high time frame confluence and bias, so we take less trades and maybe we can avoid taking some of these trades. But as we can see as well, since the week started here on Monday, we've just been ranging, so price action is not great. yeah, we'll see. I think price will go up from here now after mitigating this order block a bit deeper. So this is probably just unlucky as well. Anyways, that's my plan. I'm going to do some work now. I'm gonna collect data on these trades, collect data on my back tested trades, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching once again.